Hello and welcome to our video on the world's most amazing facts. In the next 5 minutes, we will take you on a journey to discover some incredible facts about the world we live in. Fact 1. The Great Wall of China is not visible from space. Contrary to popular belief, the Great Wall of China cannot be seen from space with the naked eye. The wall is only visible from low Earth orbit, which is about 100 miles above the surface. Fact 2. The world's largest volcano is in Hawaii. Mauna Loa, located in Hawaii, is the world's largest volcano. It stands at over 13,000 feet above sea level and has erupted 33 times since its first well-documented eruption in 1843. Fact 3. The longest river in the world is the Nile River. The Nile River, located in northeastern Africa, is the longest river in the world, stretching over 4,000 miles. It flows through 11 countries and is a vital source of water for millions of people. Fact 4. The world's oldest university is in Morocco. The University of Kairouan, located in Morocco, is the world's oldest university, founded in 859 AD. It still operates today and has been recognized by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. Fact 5. The world's largest desert is not the Sahara. The largest desert in the world is actually the Antarctic Desert, covering over 5.5 million square miles. The Sahara Desert, while still vast, is only around 3.6 million square miles. Fact 6. The world's tallest building is in Dubai. The Burj Khalifa, located in Dubai, is the world's tallest building, standing at over 2,700 feet tall. It has over 160 floors and is a major tourist attraction in the city. Fact 7. The world's largest cave is in Vietnam. Sun Dong Cave, located in Vietnam, is the world's largest cave, with chambers that can fit entire skyscrapers inside. It was discovered in 1991 and is only accessible to a limited number of visitors each year. Fact 8. The world's largest living organism is a fungus. The Armillaria osteae, also known as the honey fungus, is the world's largest living organism. It covers over 2,200 acres in Oregon and is estimated to be over 2,400 years old. Fact 9. The deepest part of the ocean is the Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench, located in the western Pacific Ocean, is the deepest part of the ocean, reaching depths of over 36,000 feet. It's so deep that if Mount Everest were placed at the bottom, its peak would still be over a mile underwater. Fact 10. The world's largest mammal is the blue whale. The blue whale, which can grow up to 100 feet in length and weigh up to 200 tons, is the largest mammal on Earth. Despite its massive size, the blue whale feeds on tiny shrimp-like creatures called krill. Fact 11. The world's largest coral reef system is the Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef, located off the coast of Australia, is the world's largest coral reef system, spanning over 1,400 miles. It's home to a vast array of marine life, including over 1,500 species of fish. Fact 12. The world's largest waterfall is Victoria Falls. Victoria Falls, located on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe in Africa, is the world's largest waterfall, with a width of over a mile and a height of 354 feet. Fact 13. The world's highest mountain range is the Himalayas. The Himalayas, located in Asia, is the world's highest mountain range, with over 100 peaks reaching heights of over 23,000 feet. Fact 14. The world's largest bird is the ostrich. The ostrich, which can weigh up to 350 pounds and stand over 9 feet tall, is the world's largest bird. It's also the fastest running bird on land, with speeds of up to 43 miles per hour. Fact 15. The world's smallest mammal is the bumblebee bat. The bumblebee bat, which is found in Thailand and Myanmar, is the world's smallest mammal, weighing less than a penny and measuring just over an inch in length.